Ooh, I love getting pets on my nose.
Hey kids, it's me, Kit the Explorer, and
Miles.
What are we doing today, Miles?
Looking at animal.
We're looking at animals, because where are we? We're on a farm. Farm starts with the sound F. Can you make that sound? Farm. You make that sound by putting your teeth on your lips and blowing out some air. Can you try it? Farm. Good job. Good job. Should we go look at some animals? Guess what? We have someone helping us. Her name is Joan, and she's gonna show us all around this big farm, and she's driving a big golf cart that we are gonna hop on. Come on, Miles, let's hop on the back.
Ready to go?
We're ready to go.
Let's go see some animals.
Let's go see some animals. This farm is so big. It's so big that we have to ride a golf cart around to get to the places that we want to be. It's a good thing that Joan is such a good golf cart driver. Whoa, Miles, what do you see there? A horsey? Wow, let's get down and go see the horsey. You guys, there's all kinds of animals on farms, and this kind of animal is a horse. Oh, hello, horsey. Do you want to come say hello?
Hi.
What do you think he's saying? Neigh. Is that a sound that horsies make?
Did you bring me a carrot? I love a carrot.
Horsies have such soft noses. Oh, this horsey's so nice. Do you want to touch his nose, Miles? Be so soft and touch his nose. Can you reach out and touch his nose? Oh, he's
Hello,
coming down to
Miles.
say hi to you. Maybe he thinks you have a carrot. Do you want to touch his nose? Oh. So soft and nice. Can you tell the kids at home what that felt like?
It felt like a little boy was touching my nose. Tasty.
Oh, hello, horsey.
Hello, Kit.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna taste your goggles.
He's saying hello to me. Guess what? There's a lot of other horses. Look at all these horse houses. Horse houses are called stables. And look at how many. I even see a baby horse. Look at that baby horse over there, Miles. Come over here and we'll take a look. Hey, baby horsey. Maybe he'll come over here. Guess what? That baby horsey is coming our way to say hello. Oh, can you say, come here, baby horsey?
Baby heart.
Wow. This baby horse is so nice. He came up to say hello to us. Hi. They love having their ears scratched. They're kind of like a big giant doggy. So nice, huh? Did you know that a baby horse is called a colt? This right here is a colt that's growing into an adult horse. Bye-bye, little colt. What should we check out next, Miles?
So take it.
Some chickens? Ooh, chickens. Let's hop back on the golf cart and check out some chickens. Come on.
Okay.
And here we go. Let's go look at some chickens, kids. As we toured the farm, we saw lots of horses in their stables. We even found some horses that were enjoying a nice lunch.
Tasty oats.
Miles, what are we looking for?
Chicken.
We're looking for chickens? Did you find some? Where are they? Show me. Hop off and show me. Miles spotted some chickens. Whoa, we gotta go slow, Miles. Come here, come here. We gotta go slow because chickens can get scared really easily. Come here. Look, I see chickens and what's in there with the chickens? What else do you see in there? What is that? Do you kids see what I see? It's a different kind of animal. What is that animal over there? Is it a dog? No. Is that animal that's laying down with the chicken a horse? No. What is it? I think it's a baby cow. We call baby cows calves. And there's some calves in there with the chickens. Hello, chicken. Believe it or not, chickens are kind of mean, so we don't want to ever really touch or pet a chicken. But guess what? Baby cows are really nice, and we can go and pet a baby cow, and we might even be able to feed one. Should we go look at the cows? Let's go. Right now, we're gonna go feed some baby cows. And baby cows, they drink milk, just like a baby brother or sister, like you might have at home. So we're gonna go to a bottle making place and make a bottle for a baby cow and feed it. What do you think? Sounds good to me too. Let's go, kids. Miles, guess where we are? Can you say milk room? We're at the milk room and we're gonna make a bottle of milk for one of the baby cows. Come on in. Come on in, kids. Whoa, here's the milk room. Guess what? In the milk room, there are bottles, just like a baby bottle at home, but this was big, because cows are big, huh? Do you want to hold that? What we do is we grab one of these. This is called a nipple, and it goes on the top of the bottle. We're gonna rinse it off so it's nice and clean. We have our bottle and we have our nipple, and inside this big can is powdered milk. We're gonna take a half a cup of milk, and this funnel, do you wanna hold that, Miles? And we're gonna fill up the bottle. Okay, put that funnel on top of the bottle, just like that. And then we pour the milk into the bottle. Just like that. Now that the milk is in there, we're gonna fill the bottle up halfway with water. Yummy! Now, we put the nipple on top of the bottle, and we're gonna take this bottle and shake, 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 shake up a milkshake. Shake, 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 shake up a milkshake. Can you do it? Can you do a dance with me? Shake, 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 shake up a milkshake. Shake, 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 shake up a milkshake. Shake, 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 shake up a milkshake. Ooh! I think that's shaken up pretty well. Now we're gonna go find a lucky cow and share this bottle of milk with him. Tell me about that bottle. Yeah, it does. We are going to go and feed some cows, aren't we? And we're riding the golf cart. Did you hear a cow? What did it sound like? Soon, Miles and I found the baby cows. What is that sound?
Moo.
What makes that sound?
Cow.
Cows. We're here to feed a cow. We've got a bottle, don't we? Should we go find a cow to feed? Grab that and let's go feed a cow. Hop down. Did you kids know that on a farm, they have all sorts of food and things for the animals? Like this, big bales of hay. Whoa! Bales of hay and alfalfa are what cows and horses love to eat. It's covered up by this big roof so that when it rains, it doesn't get wet. And guess what? Before it rains today, we're gonna feed a baby cow. Let's go feed this baby cow. Did you know that these baby cows have little houses that are called hutches? This is called a hutch. And here's our baby cow, or a baby calf. Hello, baby calf. Come here. Oh, yeah. Do you want to touch him? You can pet him. He's so nice. We'll put this down and you can pet him. Look, he's got a wet nose just like a doggy. Come in close and take a look, kids. Miles, let me show you how to feed the cow. Can you grab this bottle? What we do is we flip it upside down, just like this, so the baby cow can drink it. Whoa, look at him go. He's a hungry calf. Here you go. Look at that little calf eat. He's probably hungry just like your brothers and sisters at home that still drink bottles of milk. You want to touch him? Oh yeah, he's nice, huh? This baby calf is so cute. Let's hold it a little bit higher so that he can reach it. Can you hold this? He's almost done with his bottle of milk. All done. What a good cow. Do you want to pet him one more time, Miles? Stick your hand in. What color is this cow, Miles?
Brown.
Brown. And guess what? I see another cow that's a different color. Should we go take a look? Come here, kids. This cow is black, and other cows are white with black spots. There's many different kinds of cows, and these are all their calves or baby cows. How fun. Oh my goodness, look what I found. Chickens. Now remember, are chickens nice or not? Not really. So we need to be careful with these chickens. Let's sneak over, come here. Come on, sneak by. They won't hurt you if you run across. Okay, in here is a big bucket of chicken feed. Here, hold out your hand. And if you drop this on the ground, drop a little bit at a time, the chickens will eat it. Do you see them looking for the food that we just dropped? Go ahead and throw it out to them, Miles. Yeah. Now step back a little bit so that they feel safe to eat that food. Step back a tiny bit more. See, there they go. The chicken's food is made out of corn and oats and different kinds of grains. They love to eat this food. Well, kids, Miles and I are sure happy that you joined us for another fun and educational video of Kit Explores, where we got to explore a farm, feed a bottle to a baby calf, we got to say hi to some horses, and we got to feed some chickens. Always remember that animals share the earth with us, and always be nice to them. Always treat animals well, and if you can, shop locally so that you can support your local farmers who have farms just like this. Parents, you can follow us on social media, on Twitter and on Instagram at Kit Explores, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.